Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Beardstown, local and long distance movers near me. You get all the best options when you choose to let us handle your long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on time move, and upfront pricing. With the help of our team, your long distance move becomes so much easier. We provide you with the crew you need, the right services, and the streamlined process. Moving day doesn't have to be stressful when you need to relocate out of state. When you're ready to hire an Illinois moving company, you need the right team. A local move might have a shorter distance, but it's still a very big job. You have to lift all of your furniture, boxes, and other items into a truck and move it down the road. With the right moving team, you won't have to do all the heavy lifting. 3 Movers offers the right team for your local move. We show up on time and make moving day super simple for you. Our team can even help with packing and unpacking too. If you need all weekend to move, we can get it done in one afternoon. Choosing the right Beardstown moving company will make a difference. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Beardstown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.